are among the lucky ones. Their parents, some of who have hardly left the hospital, clinging to hope.
14 newborns who contracted the bacteria were being treated in this neonatal ward. 3 have already been discharged. The remaining 11 have been cleared of the bacteria in their bloodstream and are being monitored for weight gain as they're premature. The hospital says the babies are doing well.
By looking at this current situation, our ward was definitely overcrowded at the time that the incident occurred, and obviously we also had shortage of staff. Now it's important for us to understand that there are multiple factors that impact on an outbreak actually occurring, and we need to be looking at patient factors, we need to be looking at environmental factors as well as hospital factors.
When the Human Rights Commission arrived, it was told that the neonatal ward, which has 60 beds, would sometimes accommodate over 100 mothers.
We put a monitoring and evaluation team to try to isolate what actually caused that outbreak. But I want to say on record now that the outbreak is actually cleared.
The hospital will submit periodic reports on the situation to the HRC. Criselda Lewis, SABC News at the Tembisa Hospital.